Question 19. The blade and fluid velocities for an axial turbine are as shown in the figure. The magnitude of absolute velocity at entry is 300 meter per second at an angle of 65 degree to the axial direction, while the magnitude of absolute velocity at exit is 150 meter per second. The exit velocity vector has a component in downward direction. Given that the axial horizontal velocity is the same at entry and exit, the specific work in kilojoule per kg is. So in this question we have to find specific work which is given by U into VW1 minus VW2. So this angle alpha will be equal to 90 minus 65, that is equal to 25 degrees. So VW1 will be equal to V1 cos alpha. So that is equal to 300 into cos of 25 degrees, that is equal to 271.89 meter per second. Now we have to find Vf1, that will be equal to V1 sin alpha, that is 300 into sin 25, that is 126.78 meter per second. Now it is given that Vf1 is equal to Vf2, that is flow velocities are same, so that will be Vf2 will be equal to 126.78 meter per second. We know V2 is given as 150 meter per second, so let us find this angle beta. So beta will be, sin beta will be equal to, cos beta will be equal to Vf2 divided by V2. So cos beta will be equal to 126.78 divided by 150, that is equal to 0.845. So beta is equal to 32.3 degrees. Now VW2 will be equal to V2 sin beta. So V2 is 150 into sin 32.3, so that will be equal to 80.15 meter per second. Now W will be equal to, U is given as 150, VW1 is given, comes out to be 271.89. Now minus, and VW2 is in opposite direction, so it will be minus 80.15. So this answer comes out to be 52.806 kilojoule per kg.